for Lawrence. Here, boy. Here, Lawrence. Oh, gee, that's funny. He never stayed away when there was a big old bone to chew on.
Dear nephew Peaceful, how are you?
Oh, I'm awful. Something awful's happened. Lawrence is missing.
Yours truly will find him as soon as I deliver my last letter. Why, what a coincidence. This letter is for you, Possum. I will read it to you. Goodbye forever. Signed, Lawrence. That silly dog has run away.
Where should we look, Uncle Truly?
Let's see now. Where would be the best place to look for a runaway dog?
I, Richard Harry Nearly, silent movie star and part-time dog catcher, shall follow them and apprehend that unlicensed beast once and for all.
Let's see now. Dog biscuits, dog college, dog and cat hospital, dog and cat hospital. Do you suppose?
Aha! I shall take a shortcut and get there first. Let's see. I'd better work fast if I'm going to find Lawrence. Uh-oh.
Dear nurse, we are looking for a small white dog that goes by the name of Lawrence the dog.
You'll have to ask Dr. Ben Nasty.
Where will I hide? Ah, yes.
Nurse, 403 in the operating room immediately. Prepare him for a thorough weather analysis and be sure and complete the flea job follows it up.
Down, boy. Down, boy.
Here we are at Mr. Arf's Poodle Salon.
Gee, Uncle Lovable, do you really think Lawrence would disguise himself as a French poodle?
Monsieur, may I be of assistance?
Dear beauty parlor of dogs, man. Yours truly is seeking a dog.
Monsieur, exactly what kind of dog? What is his pedigree?
Lawrence is a mutt or mongrel or something.
Mongrel? Not here.
Yours truly will just have a look around, thank you.
Horrors, they'll spot me unless...
All of these here dogs are too beautiful to be Lawrence so far.
Wonderful. Simply wonderful.
Horrors.
Now, we'll just clip your ears a bit, and you'll be the most beautiful.
Oh, gee, Uncle Lovable, how will we ever find Lawrence among all those dogs?
So that little mutt thinks he can escape me by joining the army. Uh-oh, that pesky postman.
Attention! Right, hey!
Canine Corps Induction Center. Horrors.
Here's a rare one. A poodle-headed magnificent.
Oh.
You, over here.
Where should we look next, Uncle Lovable?
Well, dear nephew, I'll have to give that some thought.
Gee, I had such a nice big bone for him. Lawrence, it's you! I love you, Lawrence. Give me a kiss.